Are you done with spending a fortune on shampoos and treatments just to keep losing hair? Do you wake up worried about patchy bald spots, stubborn scalp eczema, flakiness, or weak, lifeless hair? This is your sign to stop searching, because right now I'm sharing a powerful natural keratin oil that's about to change your hair game forever. If you skip this video, you'll be missing out on the biggest home remedy for thick, shiny, and absolutely healthy hair. Trust me, your future self will thank you for these minutes you spend with me. This isn't just any DIY. We're talking about a miracle potion combining the strengths of mallow flower oil, rosemary, chamomile, and olive oil. Xenotation Spot Mallow Flower Oil and Extract, pure hydration magic. It soothes scalp eczema, removes flakiness, improves scalp elasticity, and brings back life to even the driest hair. It locks in moisture better than most high-end conditioners ever could. Xenotation Spot Rosemary, a game changer for circulation, boosting follicle health, and literally stimulating new hair regrowth, even helping to reverse patchy, spotty hair loss and slow down thinning faster than expensive serums. Xenotation Spot Chamomile, nature's anti-inflammatory star. It gently calms irritation, minimizes scalp redness, fights dandruff, and leaves hair feeling baby soft and sparkling with natural highlights. Xenotation Spot Olive Oil, the holy grail for strength and shine. It repairs, nourishes from root to tip, prevents split ends, and fortifies the entire length of your hair while leaving your scalp comfortably moisturized and healthy. With just a few drops of this blend, you can forget about those embarrassing white flakes. Say goodbye to itching and irritation, and revive hair that you thought was gone forever. Your roots will grab onto the follicles, and hair will grow lusher, denser, and smoother than you ever thought possible. No pricey treatments, no harsh chemicals. And that's not all. This elixir is loaded with antioxidants and calming agents that are just as powerful for irritated, sensitive, or eczema-prone skin, giving you a two-in-one miracle for both scalp and skin. Think hydrated, soothed, and glowing. No more redness, no more discomfort. If you truly want to save money, gain confidence, and unlock your best hair and skin yet, don't miss this. Watch till the end for the clear, step-by-step recipe and massage guide. If you leave now, you'll keep throwing cash at salons and never know nature's own answer was right in your kitchen. So, are you ready to finally conquer hair loss, dandruff, weak roots, or scalp eczema? Drop a comment sharing your biggest hair concern, hit subscribe, and let's start this transformation together. Your dream hair is waiting. So far, I have shown you the amount to use with a tablespoon. It should be measurable for everyone. 6 tablespoons of marshmallow, 2 tablespoons of chamomile, 3 tablespoons of rosemary, along with 2 glasses of olive oil. Another way to measure the carrier oil, which in this recipe olive oil is the best option for extraction. Use an amount that all the herbs are immersed in the oil and the olive oil surrounds all the herbs in the container. If you do not understand something, be sure to ask. I promise to answer quickly. We mixed all the ingredients in olive oil, now for 20 minutes on low heat. We give time for the heat to transfer the properties of the herbs to the oil and the infusion process to take place. Then, with the help of a strainer, we separate the oil from the herbs and pour it into a spray bottle. Congratulations, you have made one of the most special homemade keratin oils and hair regrowth and treatment of hair loss and nervous loss. Of course, it treats the most severe skin eczema in the shortest time. Before using all natural products, do an allergy test. Magic oil is not just for hair. It is an essential oil for the skin that is anti-inflammatory and deeply hydrates the skin. I emphasize that it is very, very important to do a sensitivity test before using herbal products. How to use magic oil? Before bathing, massage the roots of the head, strands, and ends of the hair, and then bathe for 20 minutes and wash your hair gently. After bathing, you will have silky and healthy hair. I do this once a week for my daughter, who is 8 years old. She had weak strands and was always frizzy because of the thinness of her hair. Now her hair is thick, soft, and silky, and the ends of her hair are healthy, and her hair roots and hair bulbs have become strong. I am very satisfied. I enjoy seeing the beauty of her hair. That is why I have some secrets that you should make at the first opportunity and monitor the health of your skin and hair. Imagine, with just a few drops of marshmallow toner, your skin will instantly wake up, redness and inflammation will instantly fade, and your face will be as soft and clear as fresh petals. This natural toner is a miracle for deep hydration, shrinking open pores, preventing blemishes and dark spots, and instantly relieving skin sensitivities. The secret to the clear skin of famous bloggers is here. Every time you use it, it acts like a luxurious and aristocratic treatment for your face. No chemicals, no extra cost. With its antioxidants and vitamins, marshmallow repairs damaged cells, reverses inflammation and skin aging, and gives your skin an incredibly fresh and youthful glow. If you don't watch this video right now, you're missing out on the biggest secret to flawless skin. Hashtag natural toner, hashtag herbal toner, hashtag marshmallow toner, hashtag hydrating toner, hashtag anti-inflammatory skincare, hashtag glowing skin routine, hashtag soothing toner, hashtag organic skincare, hashtag diaphragm toner, hashtag natural skincareroutine. To make marshmallow toner, you need a few fresh or dried marshmallows. I also added a few rosemary leaves. Heat with a glass of water for 10 minutes. A few sips is enough. Then remove from heat and let it cool to room temperature and pour into your toner glass container. How to use? Whenever you like, use the pad to rub your skin in a circular motion. It cleanses all your pores and allows your skin to breathe. When you wear too much makeup or don't have quality products and go to bed without cleansing your skin, it causes your open pores to enlarge. But don't worry, this toner also cleanses your skin and, most importantly, shrinks your pores and gives you a fresh and beautiful skin.